Ever ask yourself, how did the dodo bird go extinct? Well, obviously you didn't, unless you did, or even if this is your first time hearing about the dodo bird. But today, let me educate you about this harmless bird. Firstly, the dodo bird was a flightless bird that was endemic to the island of Mauritius, which is located east of Madagascar in the Indian Ocean. So if you don't know how it looks, here's a picture. Well, how big was this bird, you may ask? Well, subfossil remains show that the bird was 1 meter or 3 feet 3 inches tall and may have weighed 10.6 to 17.5 kgs or 23 to 39 pounds in the wild. The dodo's appearance in life is evidentially only by drawings, paintings, and written accounts from the 17th century. Okay. But why did these harmless birds go extinct? Well, it's commonly believed that the dodo birds went extinct because Dutch sailors ate them all after finding out the bird was incredibly easy to catch due to the fact that it had no fear of humans, which I clearly don't understand why it wouldn't be afraid of a creature many times its size. But that is very accurate. It is said that after the sailors landed and settled on the island in 1598, the dodo's population rapidly declined, and other sources confirm that the dodo was indeed hunted by sailors looking for an easy snack. Since the dodo's ungainly gait and lack of a third axis of movement made it relatively easy to catch. Well, I guess that's how KFC started about. Good night. Did I get you? Were you going to click off the video? Well, let me finish. However, in a paper released by the Oxford University of Natural History, it said that the animals the sailors brought with them are named for one of the key reasons our hopeless feathery friend saw its demise. For example, pigs, dogs, and rats are all the animals said to have developed a taste for dodo eggs. This introduction to such of an animal into a foreign ecosystem, combined with humans hunting and eating them as well, saw the decline balance the dodo had enjoyed for a long, destroyed years. The species was soon cripplingly endangered, and as a result, it faded from existence. The exact date we came into contact with these birds is not verified, but Dutch sailors traveling with Jacob van Neck. Wait, who is Jacob van Neck? Well, he's one of the first people to describe the dodo bird. Alright, continuing. The first came in contact with these birds around 1598, but some say the Portuguese sailors seen them around decades before this, around 1507. But who am I to judge? I mean, I wasn't alive back then. Were you alive back then? Obviously you weren't, unless, I don't know, you have some kind of supernatural powers. But yeah, I hope you beautiful people enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps me out. And share this video to your friends. Peace.